Good morning, students. Today we are going to see one more problem of how to journalize the following transactions. Okay, now the question is journalize the following transactions in the books of Vishal Electronics. The year is 2018, month is April. Okay, it is 1st of April. Business, that is Vishal commenced business with cash 90,000, furniture 60,000, building 1 lakh. Okay, so here it is a compound entry because there are with three things he has started his business, that is cash, furniture and building. Then on April 4th purchased a motor car from Honda company by check rupees 55,000 at 18% GST. So we have to calculate 18% GST on 55,000 and then divide that GST amount into two, that is CGST and SGST. So it comes to 4,950, that is CGST and SGST. Okay, then on April 5th paid insurance of the above car rupees 3,000 to United India Insurance Company. So they have paid insurance. Okay, so here they have not mentioned anything, so we have to consider that it is paid by cash. Okay, then paid into State Bank of India rupees 40,000. Paid matlab we have deposited the amount into State Bank of India. Then next on April 15 brought goods from Rajesh rupees 80,000 and paid him 1/4 amount in cash immediately. ओके, तो हम लोगों को क्या करना है, यहाँ पे राजेश का अमाउंट कितना है, राजेश का अमाउंट है 80,000. ओके, नाउ राजेश को कितना है 80,000 हम लोगों को पे करना, बिकॉज वी हैव ब्रॉड गुड्स फ्रॉम हिम. सो फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट ही हैज़ डन, द अमाउंट 1/4 अमाउंट जो है वो क्या किया है, हम लोगों ने पे किया है. सो 1/4 कितना आता है, इट कम्स टू 20,000. सो 20,000 वी हैव पेड हिम बाय कैश. ओके, so when the cash is going out of the business, okay, that is 1/4 amount. Then on April 18 cash sales rupees 60,000 at 5 to calculate 5% GST on 60,000. ओके, जब हम लोग सेल्स करते हैं इट इज़ 5% GST वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. तो हमारा GST अमाउंट कितना आता है, इट कम्स टू 3,000 rupees. Okay, 5% on 60,000 is 3,000. So 3,000 will be divided into output CGST, output SGST, मतलब 1,500. Okay, then April 20 received rent rupees 1,000 and commission rupees 4,000. Okay, so these are what receivable, so it is a income for us. Then next April 25 paid for telephone charges rupees 1,500. Okay, then next on April 27 invoice goods to Katrina for rupees 75,000 at 5% GST. Invoiced मतलब we have sold the goods, याद रखना, invoice मतलब sales. Okay, so we have sold goods, so it is output CGST, output SGST. So on 75,000 we have to calculate 5% GST. So it comes to 1,875, 1,875 for both, that is SGST and CGST, and it will be output GST. Okay, when it is sales it is output GST. Then on April 29 Sunita brought goods from us rupees 45,000 at 5% GST. So when it is brought it is again sales. Okay, तो हम लोगों को 5% GST कैलकुलेट करना है. So it is coming around 1,125 CGST, 1,125 SGST. So both GST amount we have calculated. Next is April 30 paid for printing rupees 17,000 by debit card to of SBI. Okay, so when it is payment done, okay, it is a loss, so it is a expense for us. Okay, so that expense we have to see. And State Bank of India is what? It is our account only, so cash is going out of the business. State Bank of India is the giver of the cash. Okay, ये याद रखना. So let's pass the journal entries. In the books of Vishal Electronics, journal entry. Now what is our first journal entry? Vishal commence business with rupees cash 90,000, furniture 60,000, building 1,000. So हमारा क्या होगा? Date, particulars, LF, debit amount, credit amount. Okay, year is what? 2018 April 1. Okay, तो हमारा क्या होगा? Here it has started with cash. So cash 90,000 debit, furniture debit 60,000, building debit 1 lakh. So total of this is 2,50,000. So this will be your capital. So to capital account 2,50,000 in the credit column. Okay, being business started with cash, furniture and building. Next is purchased motor car from Honda company. Okay, sorry, purchase motor car from Honda company by check rupees 55,000 at 18% GST. We have calculated the GST amount, so the entry will be motor car is why? Because it is coming inside the business. The purchase, what we have purchased, we have to mention it. So motor car account debit कितना है? 55,000. On that when you purchase, it is input GST. Okay, so input CGST, input SGST. Input CGST कितना है? Input CGST debit 4,950. Input SGST account debit 4,950 to bank account, because here it is given as purchase motor car from Honda company by check. चेक मतलब बैंक आएगा. ओके, टू बैंक अकाउंट 64,900 बिकॉज बैंक इज द गिवर ऑफ द अमाउंट. ओके, सो डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर. तो गिवर जो है उसको हम लोग क्रेडिट करेंगे. सो टू बैंक अकाउंट 64,900. Being purchased motor car by check with 18% GST. Okay, next is insurance. The entry is April 5 paid insurance on the above car rupees 3,000 to United India Insurance Company. Okay, so here insurance is a expense for us and cash is going out of the business. So when it is an expense, debit all expenses and losses, and when cash is going out of the business, credit what goes out of the business. Okay, so हमारी एंट्री होगी इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट डेबिट 3,000 to cash account 3,000, being paid insurance premium on motor car. Okay, then next April 10 paid to State Bank of India rupees 40,000. Okay, so here we have paid the amount. तो ये क्या होगा? State Bank of India account debit 40,000 to cash account 40,000 because the cash is getting deposited. So here क्या हो रहा है? हमारा स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया क्या हो रहा है? इज द रिसीवर and cash is going out of the business. So credit what goes, State Bank of India is the receiver, so debit the receiver and cash is going out of the business. So credit what goes out of the business. So being cash deposited into the State Bank of India. So ये हो गए हमारे entries. Next we will see the next entries, that is on April 12 paid salary rupees 10,000 and rent rupees 3,000. So salary account debit 10,000, rent account debit 3,000. To cash account 13,000, being paid rent and salary. Okay, because rent and salary are the expense when we pay it. Okay, so when it is an expense, debit all expenses and losses. Next it is April 15 brought goods from Rajesh 80,000 and paid him 1/4 amount in cash immediately. तो जो हम लोगों ने पे किया है immediately कैश, वो हमारा क्या है, that is cash is going out of the business. So यहाँ पे जो परचेज किया उसका कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया. So we'll write April 15 purchases account debit 80,000 to Rajesh account 60,000 to cash account 20,000. So राजेश को we have to pay here जो गुड्स हम लोगों ने परचेज किया इट इज़ ऑफ हाउ मच 80,000. वी हैव पेड कैश हाउ मच 20,000. सो इट इज़ रिमेनिंग कितना है 60,000 इज रिमेनिंग, दैट इज 80,000 माइनस 20,000 60,000. एंड वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड हाउ 80,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/4, सो वी गेट 20,000. सो हियर बीइंग परचेज गुड्स और गुड्स परचेज फ्रॉम राजेश ऑन क्रेडिट एंड 1/4 अमाउंट पेड. Okay, next April 18 cash sales 60,000 at 5% GST. So we have to calculate 5% on 60,000. We get around 1,500 CGST, 1,500 SGST. So कैश में कितना आएगा 60,000 plus 3,000, that is 63,000. So cash account, because cash is coming inside the business. When you sell the goods, cash is coming inside the business. So debit what comes inside the business. So cash account debit 63,000 to sales account 60,000 to output CGST account 1,500 to output SGST account 1,500. Being goods sold for cash at 5% GST. Next, it is April 20 received rent of rupees 1,000 and commission 4,000. So when you receive rent, commission, it becomes the income. Okay, so what we do with the income? Credit all incomes and gains. Okay, and cash is coming inside the business. So debit what comes inside. So cash April 20 cash account debit 5,000, that is रेंट कितना है 1,000 और हमारा जो कमीशन कितना है 4,000. So 4,000 plus 1,000 is 5,000. Being received rent and commission. Next is on April 25 paid for telephone charges 1,500. So when you pay, it is an expense. So what we do with an expense? Debit all expenses and losses, and cash is going out of the business. So credit what goes out of the business. So April 25 telephone charges account 1,500 to cash account 1,500, being paid for postage and telephone charges. Okay, next is on April 27 invoice goods to Katrina for cash rupees 75,000 at 5% GST. So we have calculated GST, so it is coming around 8,750. So हमारी CGST कितनी है 1,875 and SGST is 1,875. So total is how much 75,000 plus GST amount, that is 8,750. So 78,750. So cash account debit 78,750 to sales account 75,000 to output CGST account 1,875 to output SGST account 1,875, being goods sold for cash at 5% GST. Okay, then afterwards on April 29, okay, Sunita brought goods from us 45,000 at 5% GST. So when it is brought, it is what sales. Okay, we have sold the goods. So Sunita's account debit to sales account कितना है हमारा, sales कितना है हमारा, sales है हमारा 45,000, output CGST 1,125 output SGST 1125. So total 7250 is the GST amount. So to Sunita account को कितना आएगा 47,250, to sales account 45,000, to output CGST account 1,125, to output SGST account 1,125. Being sold goods for Sunita on credit at 5% GST. Okay. Then afterwards 30 of April, paid for printing rupees 17,000 by debit card of XBI. Okay, so when you pay by bank name should be mentioned, and printing is what? It is an expense because we have done the payment. Okay, so when it is an expense, debit all expenses and losses. So printing account debit 17,000 to State Bank of India account 17,000, being paid for stationery by debit card. Okay, so then afterwards when everything is done, what we have to do next is we have to do the totaling of both the side, and both the side should tally. Okay, so what is the total over here? 6,63,400. This is the total of both the account. Okay, so this is how we have completed with the amount. Okay, so ये हो गया हमारा totaling. Okay, in the next class we will start with the another problem.